I am baffled the way the Chinese ADRs and the market has been behaving over the course of the last few weeks. I mean, it all kind of started when we heard that SoftBank has reduced their position in Alibaba to 3.8%, and then we had the process. I mean, I'm just going through what the events have been. Then process selling their Tencent stake. We saw a couple of days of very aggressive southbound selling. And then JD comes out and talks about reorg in their retail division, and people start cutting their price target after they reported the numbers. But if you look at it, even the average target prices that most of the street has against for JD is 82% higher than where the stock was today. It seems to me more than anything else, Tanvir and Will, is that this is a case of liquidation more than anything else. And I've seen this before. We saw it a year ago in 2022 when the Chinese ADRs kind of rolled, because there have been tons of positives that's been coming around, and there is no reaction to these markets. We had before, obviously we have the trade balance coming out next week, but the last time we had the trade balance numbers coming out, it was extremely bullish, both exports and import numbers. EV delivery data came out of LI, XPEV. They were very strong. And then, we had today even Baba coming out and say, look, there might be IPO in their international online commerce arm, which is $39 billion worth. Then, Tencent last week was talking about news that they invest more in overseas gaming assets. So I'm just trying to tell you that what we're seeing is abnormal. More chatters are, this is just the way the price action of a lot of these things are displaying. To me, it just shows that there are funds that are in trouble. This is a liquidation event, and we are seeing very aggressive forced selling. Even, again, Will, you've seen my notes that I've sent out. The Macau data that came out was very strong. The GGR data. And still, we had one day of rally within the casino plays, and then it got hammered the next day. And last week, the EPFR data actually showed the biggest inflow into Chinese equities since January of 22, which was $6.1 billion. So all of this is indicating that the positives are there. The price action, for me, is a liquidation event. And we've seen this before.